Alien alert! Alien movement! All clear, sir. Area secure, sir. We're gonna kick your ass!
Don't confuse your rank with my authority, Corporal.
I was told this is gonna be a babysitting job. We need backup! I got a bad feeling about this mission. Sorry, Corporal. This door is barricaded from the other side. We got bogeys! I'm pretty busted up, Corporal. I think I'm gonna need a medic. Do you have any idea who's in charge of this operation? Okay, check in. Check your fire. Recon team, check in. This whole operation is out of control. Clear this area. At your command, sir. Watch those corners. Did you see that one, Corporal? Corporal, take cover. Covering fire. Government cover-ups were not in my job description. That last shot was critical. I can't go on. The current situation is looking pretty grim. Cutting through this door is not a good idea. Sure, we can do more damage that way. This place makes boot camp seem like Disneyland. Man, my dogs are barking. Get down! Man, Corporal, you look just like I feel. Fire in the hole! Flank them! Let's kill these freaks! Friendly fire! Friendly fire! This ought to keep you frosty, Corporal. This mission is way beyond FUBAR. It's okay, sir. It's just a flesh wound. Get some! Let's go! You got it, Corporal. I'll be right behind you. Ah! Oh! 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 Ow! Grenade! I was told to guard this area. Guard duty, huh? Sir, I hear something. Hey, did you hear something? Corporal, you look like hell. Sir! Hello, sir! Let's get the hell out of here! Sir, you need medical attention ASAP.
Man, these civvies are getting heavy.
Yeah, why are we on disposal duty anyway? Just because Shepard's team didn't make it, we have to do the crap jobs?
Well, let's get on with it.
Corporal, I'm hit pretty bad. Squad, we got hostiles. Halfway through level 3. Lots of civilian resistance. Target has not been acquired. I don't know who they are. They've got lots of guns, that's what they got. Listen, just send someone. Why can't we just destroy the equipment? Bravo team, tracking system in place. Freeman is on the move. You look pretty hurt, sir. I'm hit, but I'll hang tough. Incoming!
Man, if this is another search and rescue operation, I'm going to be pissed.
Yeah, I'm gonna be pissed too when I gotta search out and rescue your sorry ass.
Hey, Shepard, I think Jackson here's got the hots for you.
Screw you, Tower.
Hey, man, where the hell are we anyway?
Well, the pilot thought we were heading to your mother's house. So far, this all looks familiar.
Yeah, that's real cute, Jackson.
Anytime, anywhere.
Hey, man, you smell that?
Smell what?
Smells like another babysitting job to me, man.
No shit, man. Babysitting job my ass. This has training mission written all over it. Why else would they have kept our orders from us for so long, huh?
Yeah, what the hell is that all about? Throwing our asses in this hunk of junk and not even telling us what we're going in for, man. Sir, yes, sir.
Well, I don't really give a damn what we're going in for. Long as I get to kill me something.
I heard that.
Hey, you sleeping over there? You want me to fluff your pillow for you? What the hell kind of mission is this anyway? We didn't even get a briefing before takeoff.
I'm a natural-born alien killer. Sir, I can't leave my post. Who needs a locksmith? Huh, Shepard? I bet you could get lost in this place really easy. I don't think I can make it, sir. Let's go, Marines! Medic! Keeping you in one piece is proving to be quite a challenge. Boy, this is some first mission. Mister, you're going down! Move in! Move up! Moving out, Corporal. Sir, I think you may need a medic. Negative, sir. Sorry, sir. That's all I can do for you. No sign of hostiles. No movement on this level. I will not fail you, sir. You got nothing! If only Drill Instructor Barnes could see me now.
Come in, Cooper. Do you copy? Forget about Freeman. We're abandoning the base. If you have any last bomb targets, mark them on the tactical map. Otherwise, get the hell out of there. Repeat, we are pulling out and commencing airstrikes. Give us targets or get below. Shepard, you've made it. I take it you didn't find Freeman? Forget it, Corporal. We are pulling out. The airstrike has started. Get to the hangar while we await evac. I said get to the hangar, Shepard. That is an order.
Where's Freeman? We don't have time to mess around here. I'm not letting you go until you talk. You've got to get out of here. Listen to me, Shepard. Those things, they'll kill all of us. Looks like somebody really screwed up, Corporal. Seems the brass bit off more than they could chew.
Yeah, well, forget about Freeman. We've got to save our own asses.
You with us, Corporal? Shepard, what the hell were you doing down there? Listen, we need to get our asses down to the extraction point near Lambda Sector. With any luck, we'll even get a shot at Freeman on our way out. Now, this transit system should take us there, but the door is sealed up pretty tight. Jeez, where's an engineer when you need one? Corporal, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I need a medic bad. Don't worry, soldier. I'll have you fixed up in no time. Thanks, Doc. Corporal, what the hell is going on here? Nobody told us about black operations in the mission briefing. Yeah, I mean, we're all on the same team, right? Right? Well, I'm not sure what their mission is, but we need to keep moving. There's got to be a transit car somewhere on these tracks. Don't go in there, Corporal. That monster wiped out my squad. Hey, man, good to see you. Wow, I can't believe you made it past those masked freaks. Those snipers have pinned us down here pretty good. We tried making a break for it, but they know we're here. They're just waiting for their shots, and those bastards are patient. Yeah, I'd love to turn the tables on those guys. Get my hands on one of those rifles. Show them a thing or two about patience. Hey, with you here now, we have the element of surprise on our side. They're not expecting 3 of us. Shepard! Oh, man. We thought you made evac already. It's good to see you, sir. It's a real mess out there. I mean, these things are coming out of the damn walls. Ain't no way around them either. They just keep coming. We may just have enough firepower to push through now. At the very least, we can give it our best shot. I heard about some kind of big standoff at the dam up ahead. I say we make our break for it now. It ain't gonna get any better, that's for sure. And I bet they could use our help. It's Shepard! Hey, stand back and I'll cut it. We're gonna need your help. Shepard, I don't know what those black ops are up to, but it doesn't involve getting us out of here alive. We've got no choice but to fight our way out. Let's go! Keeping you in one piece is proving to be quite a challenge. 1 shot, 1 kill. I'll stay here and await further orders. Man, if we make it out of here alive, I'm gonna buy you all a round of beers. Hell, I'll buy the whole damn bar. Oh! 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 Ow! This is my post, sir. Squad, quiet down. Let's go. Rapid fire. Go recon.
I'm sorry, Corporal. This is a restricted area. This is a restricted area, soldier.
Fall back. Right away, sir. Roger that. All right, you scout ahead. I've taken serious damage, sir. Okay, I'll secure this area. Have you seen any other soldiers from my platoon? Shepard, just when I was getting short, I've got to pull this assignment. Affirmative, sir. Sir!
Sir, no, sir! Sir, Texas, sir!
Sir! Yes, sir! Sorry, sir, I'm not trained for situations like this. I got your 6. Sniper school sure paid off today. Shepard! You're a sight for sore eyes. Stand back, Corporal. This should only take a minute. I've been ordered to stay here, sir. Stay alert, people. Squad, stay down! This might sting a bit. I need suppressing fire! Sweep that sector! I'll tag 'em. You bag 'em. Take this! Take cover! That's what I'm talking about. Thanks, Corporal. And that barricade is way too thick. I'll have you through here in no time. Sir! It's good to see another man in uniform. You want some of me? Watch your fire, sir. Watch it, Corporal. Yes, sir. Sir! Yes, sir! Check your zone.
Roger that, we copy. Copy that, HQ. Holy shit! Goose 3's down! Goose 3's down! Anyone out there got a good view of the LZ yet? Watch your vector, Goose 3. It's getting a little tight in here.
Okay, Goose 7. Proceed to Sector 112LZ and rendezvous with Alpha Bravo Tango. Over.
What the hell is going on out there?
Negative, Goose 7. I can see some activity up there, but I can't tell what it is. Watch it, Goose 7. You got something coming up on you. Hey, affirmative, affirmative. Alert, alert. Alien. Oh.
Primary target acquired, we got him. We got Freeman! About damn time. I hope they kill him quick. Let's just toss him in and turn this thing on. I don't want any more blood in my clothes. You gotta make sure he's dead first. Now hold him over the door and shoot him that way, then you can just drop him in. Yeah, okay. Rotten hell, Freeman. See you around, Freeman. Bye-bye. Been wanting to do this a long time.
Bam, bam, and infinite. Area, ass, head, away, back up, bang, bastard, no, bogies, bravo. I didn't sign on for this shit. Monsters, sure, but civilians, who ordered this operation anyway?
Alright, we've got that bastard. What's the status on Freeman?
I killed 12 dumbass scientists and not one of them fought back. This sucks.
So, who is this guy, Freeman? They say he was at Ground Zero. Science team? You think he was responsible? Sabotage, maybe? Yeah, maybe. All I know for sure is he's been killing my buddies. Oh yeah, he'll pay. He will definitely pay.
Nice hit. Alright, we got him.
Where are we taking this outside for questioning. What the hell for? We got him. Let's kill him now. And if they find the body? Body? What body? Forget about Freeman. We are cutting our losses and pulling out. Anyone left down there now is on his own. Repeat, if you weren't already, you are now. Come in, Cooper. Do you copy? Forget about Freeman. We're abandoning the base. If you have any last bomb targets, mark them on the tactical map. Otherwise, get the hell out of there. Repeat, we are pulling out and commencing airstrikes. Give us targets or get below.
Go on, casualties. Charlie, Charlie. Check, check, checking, checking. Clear, clear. Command, command. Continue, continue. Control, control. Cover, creeps, creeps. Damn, damn. Delta, delta. Down, down. East, east. Echo, echo. 80 meters. Eliminate anything. Fall, 50 meters. Fight, fight. Fire, fire. 5 meters. Force, force. Formation, formation. 40 meters. 4. Foxtrot, foxtrot. Freeman, Freeman. Get, go, go. God, God. Going, going. God, God. Grenade, guard, guard. Have. Heavy, heavy. Hell, hell. Here. Hold. Hostiles. Hot. 100 meters. Aye. Is. Kick, lay, left. Let's. Level. I got something for you. Look out. Maintain. Mission. Mister. Mother. Movement. Moves. My. Need. Negative. Neutralized. Niner. No. North. Nothing. Objective. Oh, okay. 150 meters. Orders. Out. Over.
Is that all you got? You got nothing. I'm hit. Medic.
Patrol. People. Position. Post. Private. Quiet. Radio. Recon. Request. Right. Roger. Sector. Secure. 70 meters. Shit. Shot. Signs. Silence. Sir. 60 meters. Something. South. Squad. Stay. Suppressing. Sweep. Tango. Target. Team. 10 meters. That. There. These. 30 meters. This. Those. 3. Type. 20 meters. 200 meters. Under. Up. We. Weapons. Weird. West. Weave. Will. Yeah. Yes, sir. You. Your. 0. Zone. Zulu.